Uline Dishwasher Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Uline dishwasher repair that consists of Uline front-load dishwasher repair and Uline top-load dishwasher repair, along with all other Uline dishwasher models. If you are having problems with your Uline dishwasher, such as the dishwasher doesn't clean, the dishwasher won't drain, the dishwasher buttons don't work, the dishwasher lights are flashing or blinking, the dishwasher's leaking, the dishwasher won't start, the dishwasher won't latch, the dishwasher dispenser doesn't work, the dishwasher won't fill, the dishwasher's overflowing, the dishwasher won't dry dishes. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.